New module thread whirling is technology that allows machining of high quality threads, as this typical part for it, which is medical bone screw. So let's create a new job. First we need to select our geometry. Our geometry will be simple, minor diameter of the thread. Then we need to select the tool. SolidCAM tooltable supports a new type of the tool specifically for thread whirling. This tool has already predefined holder structure and default STLs models ready to use in thread whirling operation. All I need to do is set my pitch of the thread, cutting diameter and lead angle. SolidCAM also offers a calculator for easy and fast definition of the tool lead angle based on desired thread diameter and pitch. I will set my minimum and maximum diameter. I will hit calculate and choose one of the three results. Inside technology, all I need to do is set thread height, direction of the thread and cut top to bottom. I also want several multiple rough cuts with minimal step down and with some material to left for finish. Okay, so let's calculate the toolpath. We can see very nice spiral toolpath. Let's try to simulate.